Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your plumbing services. For example, you are running a platform in which you can provide different type of facilities regarding the plumbing issues. Answering each and every customer manually is a quite difficult and time-consuming task. To solving this type of problems, we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your future plumbing services. As a owner of future plumbing services, I was receiving multiple inquiries from my customer regarding the services I have provided to them. And much more handling each of these inquiries manually was time consuming and also a confusing task. Therefore, I have to set up a WhatsApp chatbot which is going to now handle all the WhatsApp messages which I am receiving from my customer on day-to-day basis. Also, it is going to automate responses 24/7. So first of all, let me show you that how my bot is actually going to work. So this is my business WhatsApp number of my future plumbing services. I have sent a message here. Hi. See, it will respond me automatically. Hi, thanks for contacting Future Plumbing Services. Let's get you help right away. Can I confirm? Is this an emergency? If customer is facing any type of emergency, then it will click on yes, it's urgent. See, it will respond me automatically. Got it. Let's get some quick details so we can dispatch someone immediately. If I'll click on I am facing a problem of overflowing sink, then it will provide me a solution. Got it. We are sending a technician now. Expected time of arrival 30 to 45 minutes. So basically this is how our chatbot will work. At the end of the video, you can learn how to create this type of chatbots. In this video, I am going to teach you step-by-step direction of creating this type of chatbot. At first, you have to click on a new tab, then search pabbly.com Chatflow. After that, you are landed on the official page of Pabbly. On the right hand side, you can see there are two options. One is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, you can create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks to try chat flows and to test WhatsApp chatbots. Now, I am an existing user currently, so I'll click on sign in option. So this is all the apps that Pabbly provide to us as we are creating a chatbot. So I'll click on the Pabbly Chatflow button. After that, you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and response 24/7 by creating multiple WhatsApp chatbots for our businesses. And not only this, but we have some other amazing features inside the Pabbly Chatflow. The one is inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and you can respond them here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is contacts, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your chatbot or messages, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag users, etc. The fourth one is team queues, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you have a customer support team. The fifth one is template, it is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is broadcast. It is used for send bulk messages to many users at once. It is an using approved template. It is useful for promotion, announcement, updates also. The seventh one is flow. This is where you build your chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for create conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is setting, where you can manage your accounts, team members, integration, API keys, etc. The ninth one is help. As we are creating a chatbot, so I'll click on the button flows. This is the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder, in where you can create multiple chatbots according to your businesses. On the right hand side, you can see the button is there, add flow button. On clicking this button, this is the page where your flow is started. First, you have to give the name to the flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a future plumbing service chatbot, so I am giving the name. Now we get started. On the left hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is messages and the another is action. Under these, there are many buttons. Here you can see we can use these buttons in the flow. After each and every step, you have to click on the save button. Now I am going to start with a flow. So first of all, you have to decide what kind of messages when you are going to receive your flow is going to start. In those messages, some keywords will be. Therefore, the example I have shown in the beginning of the video, I am going to receive keywords in the form of messages, long paragraph, text from my customer, and automatically those keywords will be matched. When the keywords will be matched, then my flow is going to work okay. So here are some of the keywords I have written here. Hi. After entering here, you can see the blue mark is the sign then that your keyword is added. The second keyword I'll take is hello. The third keyword I'll take it as good morning. The fourth keyword I'll take as okay. Okay. So here we provided all the keywords to our flow. This is the example. You can take any of your keywords according to your preferences. After that, you can add a text button from here in where you can write the message you want to deliver to your customer. Here I am writing the message. You can see I wrote. Hi, thanks for contacting Future Plumbing Services. Let's get you help right away. Can I confirm, is this an emergency? So by clicking this button, I can also add some of the buttons by which my customer can respond to me. So I have added one button as yes, it's urgent, and the another button is no, I can wait. Okay. After that, I can connect. You have to click on this and connect this circle. See, our flow is connected with our message. The next process will be same as this. If our customer is click on yes, it's urgent, then it will respond to them like, I'll take another message button. So basically this is the response. Got it. Let's get some quick details so we can dispatch someone immediately. Here I am also asking a question to my customer also, what is the main issue. Here I can give them some options. The one is burst pipe, second option is overflowing sink, and the third option is others. Okay, here you can see. After this, when my customer is facing any type of these issues, then what my bot will respond to them. Here also I have entered this manually. I am taking another text button here. Here I am writing the response if my customer is facing any type of these issues. See, got it. We are sending a technician now. Expected time of arrival is 30 to 45 minutes. In meantime, you can. Here I am providing two options to my customer. The one is talk to support and the another is cancel. Okay. I am connecting this circle to this circle that this message is connected to this. Basically, this is how a flow will work. After each and every step, you can save the progress. By clicking this button, save. Flow updated successfully. Then, if my customer is facing any of these issues, then the response will be the same. So I'll also connect this circle to this circle and this to this. As any of the issue my customer is facing, the response would be the same by myself. This is I am creating of my future plumbing services according to myself. If you are creating any type of your business, you can do it manually by yourself. You can also add something. You can also remove something. It totally depends on your choice. After that, if my customer click on talk to support button, then I'll add another message button option here. After that, my bot will respond to them like, please wait for a moment while we are connecting you to our customer support agent. So by clicking on this, I'll connect this message to my flow. Here we can add another text button. If my customer click on cancel request button, then what my bot will answer to them. I'll connect this to this. I am writing the response here. I am writing here, no problem, your request has been cancelled. Thanks for reaching our future plumbing service. So basically this is the flow for creating a chatbot for future plumbing services. This is all for only first option. If my customer is click on yes, it's urgent, then my bot will respond to them like this. But what if my customer click on second button, no, I can wait, then what my bot responds to them. Here I can show you after adding another button. See, here I wrote something. Thanks for letting us know. Let's schedule a convenient time and a day to fix this issue. In a meantime, you can, here I can add another button. Talk to support. Here I am also adding one more button such as cancel request. The response would be the same to the customer. Then I'll connect this flow by dragging this line into this. And if my customer click on cancel request, then I'll connect this to this. So basically this is how easy our chat flow will made. After this you can save your progress. Save. This is the flow for future plumbing services bot. Here I can give you a quick review about how that bot will work. Now I am sending a message to my future plumbing business account number, that is hi, which I have taken a keywords, the keywords I wrote from here. Hi, it will respond. Thanks for contacting Future Plumbing Services. Let's get you help right away. Can I confirm, is this an emergency? If I click on yes, it's urgent. Then it will automatically respond to me like, see what I have wrote here, overflowing sink, other, birds pipe. If I'll click on others, that will respond to me. Got it. We are sending a technician now. Expected time of arrival 30 to 45 minutes. If I click on cancel request, then it will respond. So basically this is how our chatbot will work.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and start create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.